So there are different types of accounts that you use with Microsoft Windows 11. So over here, to arrange that out, I'm just going to go around over here, type in user, and then I'm going to go to add edit user option right here. So over here, you have some account types. So over here, you can see that there's TutorTube2, which is a local account. So it is not linked out with any Microsoft account, and it is something that we made in previous video. So if I were to click over here, you can see that I can remove this out, or I can change the account type. So whenever you actually create a new user, what happens is that when you change the account type, you can see that it is a standard user right here. That means they won't have administrator privileges to install or maybe go around and then make crucial changes to your computer. But if you want to provide them with the rights, then what you can do is you can change them into administrator, press OK, and what happens is that as long as you are the administrator account itself as well, then you can change the privileges right here. Similarly, what you can do is you can change the account type and set it back to standard user according to how you like as well, so that they don't have access to the crucial information just like that. And that is how you can change the account type by using the change account type option inside of Microsoft Windows 11. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.